You don't need 21 days to fix your life. Not 90, not even 7. What you really need is one day, one clear choice, one honest moment where you stop making excuses and finally confront the truth. Because the problem isn't time, it's truth. And today, I'm giving you what most won't. A 24-hour reset for your mind, your energy, and your direction. This isn't some feel-good speech. This is war. Let's rebuild, starting today. Step 1. Total mental lockdown. Pick a day, any day, turn off your phone. Cut the internet. No social feeds, no texts, no distractions. Just you and your thoughts. Why? Because most people aren't broken. They're simply overstimulated. They've filled every quiet space with noise, every pause with a scroll, every thought with someone else's opinion. But clarity doesn't scream, it whispers. And you can't hear it until everything else is silent. If you can't sit with your own mind for a day, it's not boredom you fear, it's truth. Step 2. The mirror check. Now, walk up to the mirror. Look yourself in the eye. No playlist. No pep talk. Just silence. Then ask one simple, brutal question. Who am I pretending to be? Ask it seriously. Let the discomfort hit. That lump in your throat. That sting in your chest. That's your real self, shaking off the mask. Because deep down, you know, you've been performing for others. For validation. For survival. But not today. Today, you stop pretending. Today, you get real. Step 3. Burn it down. Grab a notebook. Write 3 things. The habits that are stealing your potential. The places that drain your energy. The lies you tell just to be liked. Now destroy that page. Rip it. Burn it. Shred it. Because writing brings awareness. But destruction sends a message. I'm not going back. That version of you, it ends here. Step 4. The warrior hour. Set a 60-minute timer. This next hour belongs to you. And only you. Split it into 3 parts. First 20. Move your body. Run. Push-ups. Cold shower. Anything. Just push past your limits. Next 20. Empty your mind. Journal. Rant. Scribble. No filter. No plan. Just dump the chaos out of your head. Final 20. Complete silence. No phone. No music. Just sit and breathe. If you do this right, you'll feel it. Control. Focus. Power. Step 5. The 9 p.m. reflection. When the day ends, go back to the mirror. But this time, don't ask questions. Just say one thing. Thank you for showing up. Not for being perfect, not for making massive progress, but for being present. That's what most people never give themselves. A full day of showing up without hiding. Today, you didn't run. You didn't fake it. You didn't scroll it away. You faced yourself. And that's rare, because you're not broken. You've just been buried under distraction, comfort, fear. But one focused, fearless day can flip your entire story. Not because you became someone new, but because you finally stopped pretending. So if this hit you, don't scroll. Act. Fix what needs fixing.